The future is always predictably unpredictable. But today, researchers at PricewaterhouseCoopers are making a well-researched bet that business trends for the entertainment industry look good through 2018. Deadline's David Lieberman explains.
Advisory firm PwC makes a 5-year forecast for the entertainment industry every year, and the latest one out today looks pretty good. It says that the entire industry will generate about $724 billion in 2018. That's up about 26% from last year. But it also has particularly good news for the filmed entertainment industry. Their total revenues will grow to $39 billion in 2018. That's a clip of about 4.7% a year. Box office will grow about 3% a year, they say. They're really optimistic, though, about sales of digital downloads and digital streaming. That includes services like Netflix. That business will grow at a clip of about 18% a year, and by 2018 will account for 43% of all domestic industry revenues. PwC is optimistic about some other businesses as well, including video games and internet advertising. Some of the other numbers are a little hard to understand because they change a great deal from last year's forecast to this year's. So we'll see.
Check back later today for more video news from the Deadline team. I'm Dominic Patton for Deadline Hollywood.